channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a necklace jewelry video for you guys. As you guys know, I love wearing my crystals. I've got my crystals here, love wearing them. I love necklaces, and this company reached out to me. This is the brand Silviax Personalised Jewellery. Now I got two necklaces here. I haven't seen one of them. Well, I actually haven't seen both of them, so I'm excited to unbox these and see the quality. But I got a date one, which I got 1993 because that's when I was born, in old English writing. I think that was like $32.99. And then I got a really special pet one, and it's Ralph, my lovely dog Ralph. I love him so much. Here he is here. And I got him engraved in one of these, so I'm excited to see. I don't know which one's which, so I'm excited to see. I hope I don't cry. I'm excited to see what it looks like. But that one with personalized animals, I think, is about $45.99 or something like that. So US dollars, so really cheap, really affordable, and you get something that's gonna last freaking forever as well. So these are the products here. So I'm just like, I wonder if I can do a sneak peek and see. Oh, okay, so this one's the date one here. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like here. Here's the box. It's really pretty boxing, nice and plain. So this is the box here. So what do you get in it? You get, oh my god, they look so cute. Look at that. They look so cute. So you get a nice little cloth to clean them with. And then the actual necklace is in this little ziplocky bag. So let's open it up. That is so pretty. Look, that's that there. It's like that necklace. That is so nice. I decided to get it in nice gold because I quite like gold facial like piercings and stuff. So I thought, well, why not get a gold necklace? This is so nice. That is the chain. It's got a little love heart on the chain. That's so pretty. So that's the love heart there, and then that's the necklace. And it's a nice length as well. Like, it's quite a good length. I need to put this on. It's like real pretty. So that is it on there. It is so nice and dainty. The chain is nice and thin, and I think it really stands out that the 1993, like that looks so cute. I feel so badass in this. Like, this is really pretty. It matches my earrings as well. See the gold aesthetic, like, honey. I feel like this is like the piece I was missing because everything is like gold, earrings gold, facial piercings gold. Now I have a nice gold necklace because I don't actually have any like gold necklaces. I have like one gold necklace. So this is like real pretty. I love that. 1993. Now everyone knows I'm an old bitch. But like, look at the quality of it. It's so nice. It's like thick. It's like, I can't bend this as well. It's like really good quality. It's like really nice. I love it. What do you guys think? Now I am going to put some discount codes down below because you guys know I love a deal. I feel like I'm literally going to go buy a whole bunch of these as well because this is so pretty. Like, look. So nice. Alrighty. And just the box, like, it's such a good quality box as well. Really cute. Would be good for displaying as well. The little fluff came out. But it'd be good for, here's literally everywhere. But look, it's so cute for display. And I like displaying my necklaces like that. Like, you put it like that and you could literally put it anywhere. See, you can just display. Looks so pretty. All right, here's the personalized one of Ralph. I'm so excited to open this up. Okay, let's do it. Pull it up. Okay. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous of what this is gonna look like. I have no idea. Like, I saw they did personalized ones. I was like, oh my god, yes, I need the personalized dog one. I will die. I'm so excited. Okay, let's pull it up like here. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's my dog. It's my Ralph. Oh my gosh, look at the quality of that. Oh my god, this is the cutest freaking thing. I love it. Look at that. Hang on, let me pull these back so you guys can have like, oh my gosh, that is, oh my god, this is done so well. Look at the engraving of that on. Oh my gosh, it looks just like him. That is crazy. Oh my god, I cannot get over that. As much as I love this necklace, I think we're going back to silver because I need to put this one on. Oh my gosh, but you guys will be able to see how easy this one's to come off. There's also like a necklace one as well. I can't get over that. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm like, don't cry. Let's take this off. Is it even with long nails? These necklaces are easy to take off. Here we go. All right. See, pretty. That's it there. It's nice. Gorgeous. 1993, baby. Gorgeous. Nice. Oh my god. That's so special. Look at that. That is so well etched on there. Oh my god, this is my new favorite. This is just the necklace. You cannot beat this. I knew I was going to love this one as well. I was like, I need to open the other one because I do love the gold. Do not get me wrong. I love the gold. But this is just like the best. I need to get all my hair out of the way. This is just like, this just trumps it. This, look. That is perfect. Oh my gosh, look. Always on my heart. I actually like how the heart goes down like this and see it actually is facing. So he's like facing normally. Oh my god. I love it. It's like really nice. I love that. That's so nice. That's so special. Like, I adore this. This is beautiful. I love it. This is so pretty and so nice. Like, this is just, it's good. It's affordable. It's stamped so clearly like that. It's just like a plain, perfect picture. I love it. I love it. I love it. The back of it is plain as well, so you can see there. But I literally love this. As you guys can see, I love hearts. And this is special. I don't even care that my earrings don't match. This is so special. I love this. I wonder if I could be both. We can mix up silver and gold. We can mix up silver and gold. Like, look. That would be so sick. I don't know if I'm going to mix it up yet, but you still could if you wanted to. So I'm super stoked with this. This is amazing. I love this. If you guys are wanting to get any of these, I'll put the links down to the right one down below. But see, that is so freaking cool. This is so cool. Now I'm like, I'm a TikTok body for this. Love that. And I'll put it nicely in its little box. Just so I can show you how to display it again. Because, you know, you're going to display this really good. So let's put her up there. I actually really love this. I think it's so well made as well. I just think it's so good. Love how all my adjectives like, oh my god, it's so good. But it literally is. Like, look how cute that is. That is so cute. And it would be such a good gift as well. This is this would be an amazing gift. Like, this is so heartwarming, so touching. I don't have any jewelry with my animals on it, and this is just like, with my bracelet, I've got a little cat and a little dog because Ralphie passed away and then Willow passed away the next day. So, you know, it's very special and treasured to me. And I'm like, this is just so cute. I'm like, oh, I love this. I love this. This is literally so pretty. But a huge shout out to Silviax Jewellery. Thank you so much for sending these to me. These are, I'm gonna hold these close to my heart, honestly. These are really good quality necklaces as well. Even just the metal, like, it's a nice thick, it's a good thickness, nice chains, everything is just like sterling silver, it's gold, it's so pretty and so nice, and this packaging is just so pretty. I know that's like, where am I describing words? It's good quality, well made, and it's affordable. It's affordable. You get a nice little cleaning kit. Like, it's a really good kit that you get here. Nice quality boxes. Everything is just really good quality, nicely manufactured, and just looks really nice. Like, I'm obsessed. I love these. So thank you so much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But these are stunning. My new favorite thing ever is this. This is it. I've hit it. This is my limit. Nothing else I could ever buy could make up for this amazing gift here. So thank you so much. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.